Hey there, students. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of big data. What exactly is big data, and why should you care? Let's break it down. First up, what is big data? Basically, big data refers to extremely large data sets that can't be analyzed using traditional methods. We're talking about data so vast and complex that it requires specialized tools and techniques. Think of it as the digital equivalent of trying to drink from a fire hose. So, how is big data created? In our increasingly digital world, almost every action we take generates data. Every click, every like, every GPS signal, and every online purchase contributes to this massive pool of information. Companies, governments, and even individuals constantly collect data through smartphones, social media, sensors, and more. This is where the term data explosion comes into play. Now let's move on to the uses of big data. One of the most exciting aspects is its ability to provide insights and drive decision-making. For example, businesses use big data to understand customer behavior and preferences. This helps them tailor products and marketing strategies to better meet your needs. Healthcare providers analyze big data to improve patient outcomes and predict disease outbreaks. Even governments use big data for urban planning and to enhance public services. But that's not all. Big data is also revolutionizing fields like education, where it helps personalize learning experiences. Imagine a classroom where the curriculum adapts to each student's strengths and weaknesses in real time. It's already happening. So what does the future hold for big data? The potential is enormous. As technology advances, we'll see even more sophisticated ways to analyze and leverage big data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are key players here. These technologies can process and interpret big data at lightning speed, uncovering patterns and making predictions that were previously impossible. In the future, big data could lead to smarter cities, more efficient transportation systems, and even breakthroughs in science and medicine. The possibilities are endless. That's a wrap on our quick dive into the world of big data. Whether you're a budding data scientist or just curious about the digital landscape, understanding big data is crucial. Keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.